meeting after a long time, and since this long time I'm using one product which is super amazing and super flawlessly working with my hair. And so I thought making a review of that product. So let's see what's the which I got from Skincraft, and let's open it. So this is how it looks. And why you will fall in love with this product is because this is the customized one. You will get your product according to your hair condition, what you are suffering from, whether it is dandruff, dry hair, dry scalp, oily, anything you have done to your hair, you can go with this one. And the most amazing thing which I like the most is that you can get your name on this product, or whatever your name is, or whatever you like, you can go with this. And so I gave the name Lady Hair. See here is the one, Hair Lady. I gave the name. You can give your name, whatever you want. The color of shampoo you yourself can decide, and the smell you like peach, lavender, and the smell of rose. Whatever the option will be, the one you like, you can go with this. So I will show you what are that 3 products which will follow your hair to grow big. And guys are tired of using that home remedies, natural product for your hair, or you don't have time basically, so you can go with this Skincraft hair care routine, which they will suggest you according to your hair condition. So I have seen a drastic change in my hair, and I'm loving that change. So I thought of making a review on it, because you guys should also know now what is good and what is bad. So this is what I have, Skincraft, and the link for this is given in my description box. So please go there, check in, and get your free delivery Skincraft product at your home. And the first is the shampooing one. This is the one, shampoo. And then it's the conditioner is step 2. And last but not the least, which is my favorite step, is this, the rosemary oil. I got these 3 products which I follow for my hair care routine. Twice in a week I use this, and this is very simple to get this product. You just need to go to this website, which will be given in my description box. And the thing is that you just need to click that one, and some quiz will be there. It will be on your hair condition, how your hair is, if you have done any dyeing or anything or highlights to your hair. So according to your hair condition, they will suggest you the shampoos. You will get your customized product at your home for free delivery. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Buy this Skincraft product. This is customized product, and this will make you happy by improving your hair condition. The link is given in the description box. So check it and get your product at your home. And from today, I'm going to meet you alternative days with my videos. So please do like, comment, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.